Hi everybody, it's Birdie. Welcome to Positive Bluebird. This is Trashin'ToFashion, and as you know, I love to recycle, upcycle, turn trash into fashion, and all kinds of home decor, so let's get started. We had lots of rain this week and the sun is shining here in Colorado, so let's get crafting. These are corner foam pieces that were found in a box as Gerald received a brand new television, and I'm going to put them to good use. I love to recycle because I feel like throwing things away that can be used is just wasteful. Some of these pieces I have to cut down, and these are some of the items that I'm going to incorporate. I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue a couple of these pieces together. And as you can see, it kind of is a little uneven and too hard to cut, so don't worry, I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. So basically, I'm using this because my laptop gets overheated underneath, and what great ventilation, and it does sit up a lot higher on the table. With Dollar Tree ribbon, I'm going to hot glue and cover up the flaws of the styrofoam. And then I like to hot glue these clear gemstones onto wrappers, cut them out, and hot glue them on any kind of decor that I am making. And as you can see, I also used some craft paper. This project was pretty easy that maybe a 10-year-old can do with supervision. It is fun. I used recyclables. I can even stack my paper and pencils and glasses underneath. It sits very nicely on my metal rack in my bedroom, and it also can sit on my lap. I didn't even try it, but anyway, there you have it, you guys. Have fun crafting and have a happy Memorial Positive weekend.